Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds T-Mobile with your MacBook. You have to start by press at the Bluetooth icon at the top, but if you haven't it, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings and after that open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the charging case. It will enter to prank mode automatically and we should see it at the device list. Here we go. Now click connect near to it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!